Welcome to Destination Station. As always, I'm Destin. I got an unboxing for you. It's a laptop. Just came in the mail. Been waiting for it to come in, but I think I'm going to return this. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content in the future. It was kind of false advertisement online. I think I'm going to return it at my nearest Best Buy and get something else. Hopefully what I want is going to be in stock so I can make an even exchange. But let's get into this unboxing. I'm not the biggest knowledge of laptops or anything like that. That's not really what I do on my channel. But I just wanted to showcase it and do a little unboxing for you guys. So here you go. Let's do it. Okay, so here it is. It came in this box here. Before we get started, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you like more videos like this. This isn't, like I said, it's not really the videos that I really do on this channel, but I will do more, unboxings on laptops and stuff like that in the future if that's what y'all want. Just let me know in the comment section below, but please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so I can be pushing out more content for you guys. All right, thanks. Let's get into this. Okay, so I already cut the tape. I don't know how important that would be for you guys and the viewers. Here it is. It's like Christmas. All right, hold on. Here it is here. Sure, it's just got some manual stuff. Your typical stuff. Here's the brick. That's not bad. That's a pretty small brick. That's a pretty small brick. I heard this has fast charging, but hold on, let me turn this thing on and I'll get into why I'm going to return this. Sorry for the crazy viewing angles. I'm trying to do this quick because my kids are coming home. So I know y'all want to see if this is just like a one finger lift, and it is. It's easy. This is the ASUS Dash 240 hertz display, 3 milliseconds. It's the reason why I want to return this is because it does have a 3070 in it, but it's only got a 4-core. So most things I've been seeing online, if you watch other videos and stuff and people that's done benchmarks and stuff like that, that are far more knowledgeable of laptops than I am. I'm just now getting into PC stuff really and heavy PC gaming and stuff like that. But from what I've been told is that, a quad core is not going to push that 240 hertz to its max. It is full HD, it's 1080p, but I mean, it looks good. It's got a really good look to it. It's got a good feel. That's metal. Yeah, I've actually seen one video where a guy dropped this and it held up. So tough is in the name. Seems like it's got good ventilation, but let me power it on for you guys and let's just see what we're working with. Yeah, normally I don't have viewing angles like this, but let me go ahead and hit the power button. Let's see how long it takes. And that's the only color, which it's not a deal breaker, but that's the only color, and I kind of do like that color, that like greenish teal color look. It won't like do what this all does. This is the Huntsman Elite RGB lighting and keyboard. So yeah, I'm kind of new to this game, so trying to see if I made a proper purchase or should I return it for something else. So any advice in the comment section below would be much appreciated. What should I get? What's coming out? Initially, what I wanted was... Don't cut me off like that, Cortana. Okay, so let me set this up and then we'll get back. Okay, now we're done with all that with Cortana, but yeah, see right here I wanted to show you that it's only a DDR4, and for what everything else that it's trying to say, like this 240 hertz, 3 milliseconds, all that kind of stuff. I mean, it does have Thunderbolt 4 and you can add additional stuff to it, but it's just not it's just not gonna do what you think it's gonna do. I'm gonna upload another video after I download some games and show you some gameplay footage and stuff before I return this. Hopefully the laptop that I want is gonna be in stock whenever I do return it, or I'm gonna be waiting for another laptop. But that's the thing, is like, if you're gonna make this purchase, this is right at $1,500, you know, $1,600, you know, with taxes and everything. But if you're gonna spend that kind of money, you want to make sure that you're future-proofed. You want to make sure that you got all the bells and whistles. You're not just like gonna have to, you know, you're buying something that's immediately obsolete, or next year it's obsolete. You know, yeah, it sounds cool. It's got a 3070 in it, or you know, a 3060 for a cheaper model. That's like right at $1,100. I almost got that one, but that was a 144 hertz display. But I figured I'd try this one out. But everything that I'm seeing, I'm not too impressed. I do like the aesthetic of the look and everything. It's very sleek. It's very well built. Keys are great. It doesn't have much of a flex to it. IPS display. This is how far it goes back. That's as far as it'll go back. It won't go all the way back. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for y'all or not. Let me see if I can get some light on this so I can show you. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Let me close this real quick. Turn it up. I mean, I do like the look. I mean, it looks really clean. But here's all the ports and everything. It's got the Ethernet, HDMI. I'm trying to focus here. Sorry, I'm doing this with my phone instead of actually making a proper video on it. I'm just trying to do something quick for you guys. Ventilation, USB Type C, I think. 2 USBs over here, and I don't know. I mean, it does look good. I mean, you know, it's not too gawky as like a gaming laptops usually are. It's very slim. It's clean looking and everything. I do like the little green just teal instead of like the rainbow effect, and you know, all different colors of RGB. But you know, I want a powerhouse. You know, originally what I was going to get was the ZenBook Pro Duo that's coming out next month. Yes, there was last year's model, but those are all like 2060s, 2070s, 2080s. But they have a ZenBook Pro Duo that's coming out next month. That's got a 3070 and 3080 in it. And the second display, the ScreenPad Plus, actually lifts up like the Zephyrus one did. The older models of the ZenBook Pro Duo did not. They were just flat, so you'd have to like look over it and stuff. So that's the laptop I really wanted, but I was getting kind of impatient for that to come in, and I kind of just settled for this. I got, you know, something that was new now, and I thought this was going to be a decent purchase, you know, and it is. I mean, this is going to be great for most people. It doesn't have a webcam, which, you know, I use that webcam there for any of my streaming or you know, videos that I make, or if I go live stream or something like that. But this would be great for most people, and it is a good laptop. I'm not gonna knock it too hard, because it does what it needs to do. It just doesn't have the performance to where it pushes it to everything it's being marketed as. That's my issue with it. I don't like to be scammed, or, you know, you think you're getting one thing, but you're kind of getting shortchanged. I just don't like that kind of business model. So, I don't know, maybe it's just, you know, maybe that's not a deal breaker for you guys, but it is for me. It's just the principle of the matter. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the ASUS Dash. The ASUS TUF Dash. Here's the back of it again. Hope you guys like this video. I will upload more gameplay footage and stuff like that later once I get some games downloaded on. I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to Destination Station, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands.